Hi, good evening. Welcome to the post-game press conference of tonight's PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup match between Rain or Shine and Terra Firma. Rain or Shine won for its third straight to win in the conference. We have winning Coach Yang Giao. Coach, can you just please give us your comments about tonight's victory?
Nali ata kami ng 16 points ba, no? I'm not sure, but it did not look as easy as it looked, no? Parang mas malapit yung score, eh. Nung pakiramdam namin parang andun lang sila. Nag-struggle kami with their zone. Then it's a good thing again that our 3-point shots fell in at the right time. Yung mga 3-point shots ni Santi, malaking bagay. We knew that the zone was coming, but I guess we don't see it as much, so we'll just need to prepare for it a little bit more. But the points and the 3-point shots came at the right time. Yun yung importante ron. Nag-put up sila ng run, may run sila. Yun, mabuti na lang medyo nagmintis na rin bandang huli si Hanmisi. He was really a handful. He was a problem for us just matching up. And then si Hernandez maganda rin nilalaro. So it was really just we could not contain on a one-on-one basis ISO situation. So nag-experiment na lang kami ng depensa, mabuti umubra naman.